Who are the pleas with? Shall we do the pleas or the? Let's do the mental health thing first.
And Kyle Shaw should be determined.
We probably should put these things separate. You know what?
Then you'd have more things to look at.
Yeah, but you're making a bunch of people wait forever. I mean, let's do one like 10 and one at like 10:30.
Or we can just do them together because yours
All right.
were done quicker with one.
I'm gonna go ahead and do the
And Miller was the 1703 not Shaw.
right, so we need Claudia, we need detention center, we need Ann, we need Tony.
And Megan.
We've got everybody but Megan. Megan's not here. And this Karen Trusty of all the.
Just what 5 pages.
Megan is in our office conference room. Do you want me to go check on her real quick?
Yeah, we need her for a plea,
Yeah, hold on.
or for this, I guess. Hi, Ann.
Hi, Judge, how are you?
Just lovely. There she is. Who's your client, Megan? You're muted, so you can talk all you want. We won't hear you.
It's Kyle, TRYNISCEWSKI.
You have to say it.
Tryandowski.
You have to say his name.
Tryandowski.
Okay. Oh,
Yes, please.
are you Mr. Trandowski?
Yes, sir.
How do you say your name?
Trinazuski.
Okay. You got it wrong. Client said it wrong. Or your attorney said it wrong. All right, let's find it real fast. Okay, I have the wrong one. Kenshin. MIQ. We don't have the bond.
If Tony's on there, you want to send it to me and I'll put it in the-
Judge,
Can
I'm
you-
sorry, are you asking me a question?
Tony, can you send the bond to Mindy and she'll put it in the queue? All right. Did you want to call your client to testify? I think we froze. Yep. Megan, are you moving? No. Tony's frozen too. Zoom's great. All right, we lost Megan. She'll be right back.
Judge, I just sent that to Mindy.
Okay. We're just waiting for your attorney to get hooked back up.
Yeah.
All right, there we go.
Judge, I'm sorry. I'm having internet connections. I'm actually at the courthouse.
That's why. Welcome to the building.
Yeah.
We all have them.
Okay.
Did you want to call your client to testify?
Yes, Your Honor. I'll call him briefly.
If you would, raise your right hand to be sworn. You swear or affirm testimony about to give in this cause to be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
You got to
Yes,
speak real
sir.
loud. We have a court reporter taking down everything you say.
Yes, sir.
It's frozen again.
You can go ahead.
Judge, I'll call my client. Have you sworn him in?
Yes. While you're frozen, we'll
Okay.
swear him in.
Kyle, could you please state your name for the record?
Kyle Benjamin Trinivuski.
And Kyle, do you have or have you ever been diagnosed with a previous mental health disorder?
Yes, ma'am.
And what diagnosis do you have?
Bipolar, depression.
And when were you diagnosed?
I was first diagnosed when I was like 16.
Okay. Have you ever been hospitalized for bipolar or depressive disorder?
I've been to Mayhill before,
Okay. And
Mayhill Hospital.
have you been through Denton, MHMR, and IPS in Dallas?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you currently receiving any medication in the jail?
Yes, ma'am.
What medication are you receiving?
Zoloft.
Judge, I'm sorry, it's frozen again. Kyle, can you repeat medication you've been receiving in the?
Zoloft. Taking Zoloft.
Judge, would you like her to use my computer since I'm not having issues?
That'd be great.
I'll be right back. I'll
Or
go
just
get
have
it.
her come in. Yeah, have her come in where you are right now.
I will.
Tony's coming to get you to move you into what her computer is. You're muted. You can keep talking though.
Yes, sir. I'm on my way with Tony. Thank you.
What do you need? What do you need? If you're not supposed to be here, you need to leave.
All right, you ready?
Yes, sir, I am.
Go. Go. You're not supposed to be here.
May I proceed?
Yes.
Kyle, with regards to the medication, what are you currently receiving in the jail?
Zoloft.
And when did you start that medication?
Like 4 days ago.
Have you worked on a plan with the mental health office as to an action plan if you are released?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you plan to attend Life Path services?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you able to seek those services while sitting in jail?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have a place that you're going to be staying?
Yes, ma'am.
And where will you be living?
With my wife, Tiffany Barker.
And will that be at 1300 North Central Expressway in McKinney?
Yes, ma'am.
And will you be provided transportation from her, or will you have the ability to make it to Life Path if necessary on foot?
Yes, ma'am.
Have
Definitely.
you any prior criminal history involving assaultive nature?
No, ma'am.
Are you asking this court to grant a mental health bond so you can be released and begin mental health services?
Yes, ma'am.
Judge, I do want the record to reflect that I did receive a call from the McKinney Police Department, a detective. There is a potential burglary of a vehicle case that is sent to be sent over to the warrants department, but I have no idea when that's coming in. I'll pass this witness.
Okay. Any questions from the state?
Yes, Your Honor. Where were you staying prior to your arrest, your most recent arrest?
At the Salvation Army.
Uh, and were you taking this, were you taking your medication prior to your arrest?
Yes, ma'am. I was taking, I was going to, what's it called? Can't think of the name of it. It's in Dallas, though.
Metro Care?
Metro Care. I do it was over Zoom too. The thing I was, God, I can't think of the name of it.
And you talked about mental health treatment. Have you ever received substance abuse treatment?
Yes, like through probation and stuff. I have.
I don't have any further questions for this witness, Your Honor.
Anything else from the defense?
No, Your Honor, I rest.
Anything else from the state?
I'd just like to read the criminal history into record, Your Honor.
Okay.
On August 8th of 2006, defendant was arrested for a misdemeanor theft and was convicted of that offense in Georgia. And on August 5th of 2008, defendant was arrested and convicted of driving under the influence. On August 22nd of 2010 in Georgia, defendant was arrested and convicted of burglary. On August 24th of 2014, defendant was arrested and convicted of the state jail felony of possession of a controlled substance. On August 12th of 2015, defendant was arrested and convicted of a misdemeanor offense of prohibited weapons. On December 29th of 2015, defendant was arrested and convicted of misdemeanor possession of marijuana. In 2016, April of 2016, defendant was convicted of the state jail felony of unlawful use of a motor vehicle. In 2019, defendant was arrested and convicted of the misdemeanor offense of fraudulently destroying and removing of writing, destroying, concealing. In 2019, December, defendant was arrested for the state jail offense of possession of a controlled substance. My understanding is that that offense is still pending in Dallas. Defendant was arrested for a misdemeanor offense of theft on June 19th of 2020. Defendant was arrested for a state jail felony of possession of a controlled substance on July 9th of 2020. And that's it from the state, Your Honor.
Anything else from the state?
No, that's it, Your Honor.
Any argument?
Your Honor, the state is opposed to a mental health bond just based on the criminal history.
Yeah, your history is pretty long. I'm going to go ahead and give you a mental health bond, give you a shot at getting a little bit of help while you're waiting for these charges to happen. Understand that you have charges pending, and anything you do right now is going to not look good for you. So try and get straightened out, and anything you do good for you is probably going to help you with your criminal cases. So
yes, sir.
Think about that. You've got to come see me once a month. You're gonna have to be in touch with Tony, call her every week. You know the plan, I guess.
Yes, sir.
We will decide whether or not to have you come in person right now. It just depends on how you're doing. If you're not doing well, we're probably gonna have you come in here and find out what's
Okay.
going on. Tony's gonna share some information with you right now.
Thank you for the opportunity, sir.
Judge, with regards to this pending warrant that may come in at this point, does he just need to alert, you want me to alert Tony once that warrant comes in?
Yeah, I'll give him a bond on that, same bond.
Okay. Yes, sir. Thank you. And I just asked
Tony,
to be sealed.
Tony needs to tell him some stuff real fast.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Sure.
Kyle, my name is Tony Fox, and I'll be the case manager. When you get released, you should find a folder in your property that will have my card on there. Just give me a call tomorrow and leave me a message so that I know that you made it out okay. And as soon as I can get a hold of you, you and I will discuss what you need to be doing. But the very first thing you need to do is make sure you get a hold of LifePath and get those services started, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Good deal.
See you soon. Good luck.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Who's our,
She wants Todd Shapiro's, which is, one.
it's in town.
Last name Huang.
Hey, Todd. We have, how? We have Zintao Huang. Thanks. Bilingual.
Oh,
All right,
sir.
just one case. All right. If you would raise your right hand and be sworn.
Right here.
Yes. You swear or affirm testimony about to give be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Oh, yeah.
Is your true name Zintao Huang?
Sure. Yes, sir.
And do you
Yes.
understand in this case you are charged with assault?
Yeah, I understand. Yes.
You can put your hand down. And do you understand we are doing this plea electronically and your attorney is online with us right now?
Yeah.
Are you okay
Yes.
doing the plea electronically?
Yes.
All right.
Yes, sir.
And it looks like y'all worked out a plea agreement for 46 days in jail. You've already done 63 days, so you'll be time served as of right now, okay?
Okay.
To the charge of assault, how do you plead?
I plead guilty.
Accept your plea guilty, find you guilty, sentence you to 46 days in jail. You'll get credit for 63 days. The extra days will take care of any court costs. You'll be time served as of right now, okay?
Oh, okay. Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions about anything?
No.
All right, good luck. Thanks.
Thank you, sir.
How many more do we have?
You just have the other two with Karen Chesley, but it's still.
But all the cases. All right,
In Chadron.
gotcha.
It's the same sentence on every case, just do it back.
All right. Are you, Gabriel, well, we need to find your lawyer first. Hang on. Are you Gabriel Benenzio?
Correct, Your Honor.
You gotta talk as loud as you can, okay? Because
Correct, Your Honor.
if you would raise your right hand and be sworn. You swear or affirm testimony about to give be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, is your true name Gabriel Lee Benenzio?
Correct, Your Honor.
And you understand you have, I think, 5 cases pending,
6, Your Honor.
6 cases? Oh. Okay, yeah. There's 6 cases pending. Do you understand that?
Correct, Your Honor.
Do you understand all the charges against you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Have you had enough time to go over all these charges with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand your lawyer is online with us right now? We're doing this plea electronically.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you okay with that?
Yes, Your Honor.
And it looks like in each of these cases, you'll be sentenced to 65 days in jail. You'll get various back time credit on each case. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
The worst one, it looks like it's 21 days, so you'll owe another 44 days. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. To each of these charges, how do you plead?
Guilty, sir.
I accept your plea of guilty in each case, find you guilty in each case,
John,
sentence you.
I'm
Yes,
sorry, Judge. 2 of them are motions to adjudicate.
okay. I forgot about that. Yeah, two of the cases are motions to adjudicate. Do you understand that you were placed on, was it deferred?
One, yes, they were both deferred. One was a B theft and one was another burglary of motor vehicle.
Okay. In the 2 deferred cases, the state has filed a petition to adjudicate you, alleging you violated your probation. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And to the allegations in those 2 petitions to adjudicate, how do you plead, true or not true?
True, Your Honor.
And to the other 4 cases, the new cases, you plead guilty, is that correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
All right. I accept your plea in all the cases. On the 2 adjudication cases, the allegations will be found true. You'll be adjudicated, found guilty, sentenced to 65 days in jail. You'll get various days credit, whatever you're entitled to on each of those cases. On the other 4 cases, I accept your plea of guilty, find you guilty, sentence you to 65 days in jail in each of those cases, give you the credit you're entitled to on each of those cases. Do you have any questions about anything else?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. I am going to waive court costs so that once you're done with your jail time, you can get out of jail, okay?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
Any questions about anything else?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Good luck. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
See ya.